This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels and fully release the handbrake. Using the special adapter on the anti-theft wheel nuts, slacken the road wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the road wheel. Position a jack under the lower arm to support it. Open the tailgate, undo the fasteners, then remove the tailgate aperture trim. Prise out the fasteners and move the side trim panel to one side. Using a spanner to hold the piston rod, undo the shock absorber upper mounting nut and remove the top washer. Unscrew and remove the lower mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into place, locating the upper end with the hole in the body. Then refit the lower mounting bolt. Don't tighten it at this stage. Refit the top washer, then refit the upper mounting nut and lightly tighten it. Lower the suspension arm. Refit the road wheel and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. With the vehicle back on the ground, tighten the shock absorber upper nut and lower bolt to the specified torques. Refit the side trim panel and the tailgate aperture trim.